Today, I'm taking you on a special journey to a place called Chilopek. A unique village known for its diversity, where Muslims and Christians live together in harmony. You'll find mosques, churches, Muslim graves and Christian graves, all in one peaceful area. So, let's dive into this beautiful experience. It took me about 30 minutes to drive to Chilopek. Since it was Friday, I decided to visit the church first before heading to the mosque. When I arrived at the church, I saw a few people cleaning the graves of their loved ones. Although they didn't speak English, I politely asked for permission to film, and they kindly agreed.
Bravo. Kako si? Dobro. Are you allowed to make a video?
Slika.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
One grave really caught my attention. It was beautifully decorated with photos of the person, from childhood to adulthood. There were cigarettes, wine bottles, cold drinks, and even chocolates placed on top. It felt like a personal tribute, celebrating the life and memories of the person. Around the grave, there was a nice seating area, probably for family and friends to sit and remember their loved one. This was my first time visiting a Christian graveyard, and I was deeply inspired by how they honor and remember the departed.
So she's your wife? Your wife?
Груя.
Ah, 2010. And who they are?
Nana and Baba.
Pakistan.
Pakistan.
Yes, from Pakistan.
After visiting the church, I headed towards the mosque in the village. It was peaceful and empty at the time, but the beauty of the mosque stood out. I captured some shots to show you the calmness and serenity of the place. And that wraps up my journey to Chilopek. A place filled with diversity, respect, and peace. It was truly a heartwarming experience to see how different communities live together and honor their traditions. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe bell for more travel stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.